How was it?
Yeah,
It was awesome. It was amazing. Do you want to go ahead of me? You want me to go?
No, go.
You go. Go. You go first.
No.
Go first and then get me some.
Oh, it's all about you.
I need to switch helmets with you.
Up. How was that, guys?
It's not your first time, is it?
Not on this rodeo.
That's good, huh?
Look at that
Great view.
volcano.
I
Look
like
at
the
it.
view. I ain't no big
Another
zip
state?
liner. Not a heights guy.
So, is this one of the better ones?
Probably the best.
It is one of the best?
Yeah. Your body position, you are so comfortable here because of the handles, so you don't have to put your hand on the cable. And normally when you keep your hand on the cable and you twist a little bit, you start braking, even if you don't want to.
Okay.
So in this, you have more body control.
Is this new? This is a new technology?
No, actually, these guys been doing this about 2 years.
Oh, okay.
But they were like the pioneers. Yeah, that's a good idea. Are you scary? You okay?
That is great.
How was it? Was she still screaming when she came down here?
Wouldn't that suck if you slowed down in the middle of that?
And had to
Oh my God.
That would not be fun.
So how many times have you really done it? 70, 80? This is my first time.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. No, it's first time. First time. Oh. Make it safer. Alpha! Vamos, señor. Good. Good? Knees up. Very good. Too little, too late. Negro, que devuelva hasta noviembre.
Have fun.
Okay.
Hold on, wait. Hey! Don't scare me, please.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Say hello.
Hola.
Hola.
Stand up, amiga. How was it,
Oh, awesome.
Nice.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Maybe the taupe. Yeah.
down, but remember, keep the position, huh? He's higher.
He's higher.
That's it. Then you pull it.
Here, we push it off.